Hello, Aaron here with growlawnuglyweeds.com. Today I'm coming to you from Fort Worth, Texas, over by Bryant Irvin and Dirks Road. And today I'm doing a sprinkler audit on one of my buddy's house. He has St. Augustine, and I was just curious to see how his sprinkler system compared to mine. And we got really the same exact results. The pop-up zones ran for 30 minutes and we got 1 inch of water. Here's one of the tuna fish cans that I set out. Ran the pop-up zone for 30 minutes. Used 4 tuna fish cans and spread them out evenly throughout the zone. And let me see if I pick this one up and show you. I don't know if you can, it's pretty much full. The other ones were overflowing. I dumped that one out. Here's the other one. Okay, so right about 1 inch on all of these cans. And here's one of them. I spilled a bunch on this one because I carried it over to my truck. But right now it's taking about 1.5 inches to 2 inches a week of irrigation to keep your lawn looking good. If you have any questions, give us a call at 817-447-7711, or you can reach us on our website at www.uglyweeds.com. Thanks.